Welcome to a very special evening. Tonight is the annual Affluent Awards evening where we celebrate the success of all of our incredible members at our mentorship program, the Affluent Academy. So incredible to get such a wide variety of people from all over the world all together to share in this one communal goal of building a successful agency. We have people from the US, from Australia, from Germany, from the Netherlands, from the UK flying in just for this evening. I can't wait to share it with you.
The Academy's given me pretty much everything that I'd ever needed to launch my business, and the support from the Affluent team and the community has been second to none. If you are thinking of joining and you want to start an agency, you're ready to take the action, then I'd 100% recommend it.
Everything Jordan provides in the course is just insane. If you really just sit down and watch all the videos, guys, anyone who's ever thought about joining the Affluent Academy or has considered other options, this is the one.
We saw absolutely some huge exponential growth by coming into the Academy. So many great learnings. Absolutely loved everything that we've learned from you.
Now, as we all know, we all live in this world now where information is abundant, right? And the challenge for all of us is to filter out that noise and to get rid of it. But we are fed by this constant stream of content that's claiming to be the next best thing. But all of us here are proof that success is not just about consuming information, but focus on the things that truly matter the most. Those people that have not just learned and absorbed information, but have applied. Those that haven't just dreamed, but have achieved. And we are recognizing those individuals who set new benchmarks when it comes to client satisfaction and, of course, client results. And I think I can speak on behalf of absolutely everybody here when I say how incredible it has been to see that bell being rung day in, day out throughout this year, sometimes multiple times a day. I want to leave you with a final thought. Every time you ring that bell, when you share that you've just signed up a new client, you're not just celebrating a personal win. You're providing the fuel that someone else in this room needs to keep pushing forward and growing their business. So keep ringing the bell, keep pushing boundaries, and remember that your success is not just defined by what you achieve as an individual, but by the new heights that we all reach together. And cheers to our continued success. Thank you, guys. Woo!